Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into the festive spirit with a product that's making waves in the world of Christmas decorations. Introducing the EMPOF felt Christmas tree for kids wall, the ultimate Montessori Christmas tree that's stealing the show this holiday season. This isn't just any ordinary Christmas tree, folks. It's a Montessori-inspired masterpiece designed to ignite creativity and imagination in your little ones. Let's unpack why this tree is the best Montessori Christmas tree available in the market right now. First off, let's talk quality. Crafted from sturdy, thick, and soft material, this felt Christmas tree is not only safe for kids to decorate but built to last for years to come. Plus, with its strong adhesion, the ornaments stay put, ensuring hours of uninterrupted holiday fun. But wait, there's more. What sets this Christmas tree apart is its innovative two-mode festive snowflake lights. Whether it's day or night, you can switch between instant on mode or flickering mode to create a magical ambiance that'll leave everyone in awe. Now, let's talk ornaments. With a whopping 32 ornaments to choose from, including Santa Claus, snowmen, candy canes, and more, the decorating possibilities are endless. It's the perfect way for kids to express their creativity and get into the holiday spirit. But that's not all. This set also includes 85 snowflake window stickers, adding an extra layer of festive charm to your holiday decor. Whether you stick them on windows, doors, or walls, these stickers are sure to spread joy wherever they go. And here's the best part. This Montessori Christmas tree isn't just limited to indoor use. You can decorate it anywhere you want, be it at home, in classrooms, or even at holiday parties. It's the ultimate versatile decoration that adds a touch of magic to any space. In conclusion, the EMPOF felt Christmas tree for kids wall is not just a decoration, it's an experience. With its premium quality, innovative features, and endless possibilities for creativity, it's no wonder why this tree is stealing the spotlight this holiday season. So why wait? Bring home the magic of Christmas with this incredible Montessori Christmas tree today. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, happy decorating and Merry Christmas from Product Critique.